back to Patty with Tails, and today we're going to be making magic milk. First we have some milk, then we have 4 dye that we're going to squeeze into there, and we have all these, I forgot what the name was.
Q-tips.
Q-tips, yeah. And so first we're going to pour up the milk to here. There, that's good. And now we take the dye. We'll each go drip, 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 drip. Drip, 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 drip. And now, this is going to be the magical part. So now we're going to add a bit of dish soap and let it draw.
Might need to get a big glob on there.
Yeah, because the bigger.
There you go.
That's where the magic happens. And don't stir it, by the way. Or the magic will stop.
Ooh, look at that. It's still going. So the milk, the fat in the milk is reacting with the dish soap. It's chasing the fat.
Let me show you something else what will happen. When you spin it, the magic stops. See? Look. The magic doesn't work anymore. Spin it. Look, it pushes all of that over. So, we're going to make all the color go back now. Which is how we do this. We're going to put it all into that spot, so like that. And look, we got all the color. And that's how you make magic milk. So now we're going to make rain clouds. So first, you need water, food coloring, and shaving cream. And first, you pour the water into the glass. Then you put the shaving cream right on top.
So the water in the glass is like the air, and the
that.
shaving cream is like a cloud. Okay?
And now,
Let's make it rain.
okay, we got some red.
Yep.
Look at it rains. It's raining fire. Oh yeah, by the way, if you see, that was only one dip. One dippity jump. Two dippity jumps. Whoa. You see all that special effects happening? Wait, what if this would happen? Whoa.
Looks like a storm.
It actually kind of looks like a tornado. Tornado, but different colors.
It's turned black. Yeah, try to get as much on there as you can. Make a big cloud. Let me see it. Oh.
Okay, yeah, that's all.
This is empty?
Yeah, I'm ready here. Yep.
Yep.
Now we're going to use blue for this job. And now watch. Look, it's raining. It's raining.
So the shaving cream is the cloud, the water's the air, and the food coloring is the rain.
Yep. And now look at all that rain coming down. It's going to be a thunderstorm. Dip, dip, dip. And that's how you make the rain cloud. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos. Bye.